Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're already signed into Google, so start by choosing Add Another Account from your avatar at Accounts. Google.com. Do this now, don't sign out. You need a unique username or an alternate email address and a strong password. Write it into a password manager. Use a phone number only if you want account recovery or verification. Once done, pick a recovery option and keep it different from your current account so Google treats this as a separate identity. You'll now fill the sign-up form, name, new Gmail username, and a strong password that meets complexity rules. You'll see errors immediately if it's taken. Make sure the username is distinct from your existing Gmail. If Google asks for phone verification, use a number you control. This speeds setup and recovery. Add a recovery email different from your primary account. Once you accept terms and complete personalization, Google will finalize creation and add the account to your signed-in session. Finish by switching accounts from your avatar to confirm separate inboxes, drive spaces, and settings. This proves you created a distinct Google identity. If Google rejects a username, try reasonable variants or use a non-Gmail address to register instead. If phone verification fails, temporarily use incognito or another trusted device and retry. Sometimes cookies or account limits cause issues. Make sure you don't reuse the exact recovery info from your first account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.